Welcome! In front of me I have iGPSport LW10 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun. This is the screen brightness icon, and if you want to adjust the brightness of your screen, tap on it, and now you can adjust the brightness by swiping up and down on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. You can also change the brightness by using the settings. So if you press the crown button on the current watch face, it will open the menu. Then you can tap on the settings icon, and here you can scroll down, look for the option called display and brightness, tap on it, and here you can adjust the brightness to your liking. You can also enable and disable the option to dim the brightness at night. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.